Welcome to Working with Wyatt. Today we're going to carve a turkey. We're not going to carve it into a Mona Lisa or anything. First, we got to take these things off its legs. Ooh, I see its heart and its ribs. Now we're going to take the legs off. If you want to be a doctor, you can do this to chickens first for practice. And take the insides out if you want to be a doctor too. Now we're gonna cut the breasts or the white meat. Yummy turkey breast. Now we have to do the other side, but first we have to take this thing out. So when the turkey's done, instead of staying red, it turns purple and it pops out. Look at all this meat. Ooh la la. I'm pulling these thingy-ma-bob-bobs off. Oh. Turkey wing, turkey wing. You know that over 30 million turkeys are sold in the US? Well, our papa got up at 4 in the morning to make this turkey. Thanks, Papa. Happy Thanksgiving!